Superfood recipe number 4. Beetroot risotto.
Beetroot is often considered a superfood, due to its rich nutrient content and potential health benefits. 4 of the key nutrients found in beetroot include: Number 1. Fiber. Beetroot is a good source of dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health, and may also help lower cholesterol levels. Number 2. Vitamins and minerals. Beetroot is high in a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients are important for maintaining overall health and supporting various bodily functions. Number 3. Nitrates. Beetroot is a natural source of nitrates, which can help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Number 4. Antioxidants. Beetroot contains a variety of antioxidants, including betalains, which may help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation.
The ingredients. Pause the video here for a moment. Heat the oil in a large saucepan. Then, add the onion and beetroot, and cook over a low-medium heat, for 15 minutes. Add the garlic and cook for 1 minute. Now, stir in the rice, and fry for a couple of minutes, then pour in the wine, and bring to a simmer. Add half the stock, stirring until it is absorbed. Then, add the remaining stock, a ladleful at a time, stirring continuously, until the rice is al dente. Stir through the parmesan and lemon juice, adding a splash more stock to loosen, if the risotto seems a little thick. Season to taste. Finally, toss the feta with the lemon zest and dill, if using, and spoon over the risotto. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil.